learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Patrick Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。哎呀，早知道会塞，我就早一点出门了。
没错，
是不是常听到我或者谁讲这句话？
应该只有你。
You know, a lot of times we don't expect that much traffic, and then of course you're late to something, and then you would say, "Oh, if I knew traffic was going to be this bad, I would have left earlier." Okay, and that's the theme of this month's phrase. 早知道 if I knew.
奏
敌 Okay, so this scenario, we're going to teach you some of these lines right here. 一开始当然会很急嘛，对不对？哦，我来了 I'm here 怎么说？
爱来嘞
Okay, that means it's just repeating the same thing. I'm here Okay, 当然对方可能有点小生气，说你怎么那么晚才到啊？
对啊，你怎么那么晚才到？
Why are you so late?
用版按慢张多。
用版按慢张多，
对，你看我的口气有点不高兴，
有一点点了，对 ，pouting， you know， 那不是。
用版按慢张多。
哦，好，比较更生气了哈。你怎么那么晚到？按慢张多，张到了哈，张多。
什么张到？
哦，怎么这么晚才到了？对。OK， 按慢就是慢嘛，对不对？按慢
其实也是被我张到了，说这么晚才到，
怎么才到了 ？OK， 了解了。OK，that means why are you so late? And then your answer will be 抱歉啦 ，so sorry， 早知道会塞车就早点出门嘛，哈。How do you say that?
歹勢啦
，that means sorry。
做地位食茶，
做地位食茶。
手做地位出門誒。
手做地位出門誒，所以出門誒就是出門嘛 ，that means to leave the house or leave where you're going。那做地位就是
早點啊。
哦，吃早點，早上的 breakfast 一定要吃早餐。
哦，不是早點，
我懂你意思啦，是早一點的意思啦。
還叫你早一點點餐，不要太晚點。
Means to leave early, basically. Okay, if I knew there's going to be 塞車，叫做
食
茶 OK， 不是吃茶哦，那是要喝茶，對不對？那食茶就是塞車 that means a traffic jam. So sorry if I knew I would have left early. Okay. All right, let's review some of these terms, such as 我來了 I'm here.
愛來嘞
And then there's traffic jam 塞車。
食茶
and then early. Okay, to leave early 這個早一點。
做地位
And it's all about the phrase 是早知道，早一點，早知道不一樣哦。早知道 if I knew
做敵
And that does it for today's Patrick Hakka here on ICRT。
什麼大家？
俺是誰？張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.